This is the brand new Yearbook website, which is stunning and loads in 4 milliseconds as it is light as 4 megabytes. But 24 hours ago, I was miserable, lying on bed, looking at dead codes written by AI, browsing through countless websites searching for the perfect ideas. In this video, I'm gonna reveal how I created this amazing website just in 48 hours. Being in such a misery, I fell into the AI trap. I thought I could just push a button and get a perfect site. I generated 5 different versions. I looked at 50 inspiration sites. I had all the tools in the world.
It was at this moment that Oshan realized he is lost. The digital ocean is drowning him. He has gigabytes of data, but zero ideas.
Do you remember the video about time management that I did a couple months ago? In that particular video, I told you that my preferred way of note-taking, planning, designing is paper and pen. That's the exact solution came to my head after 2 days of misery. Looking at a screen, laying down on the bed, thinking all day, what am I doing with my life? How am I gonna make this website a reality? It made me realize that sometimes the simplest things are the ones you need for the most complex problems. I pushed the keyboard away. No code, no prompts, just ink and paper. In 20 minutes of scribbling, I solved the problem that AI couldn't solve in 2 days. My brain started to work differently the moment I took that pen in my hand.
Observe the primitive creature using wood pulp and ink. A primitive tool, yet it seems to have sparked a neural pathway that the GPU could not.
Now the sketch is done, and this time I had a plan, not just using AI to generate blind websites. Now I have a strategic plan. Now as you can see, here are the prompts I use, and these are the results I got from Google Gemini Pro. And when you give it enough context and you are the architect, Google Gemini is so much good at remembering the context and giving you whatever you ask for. This time I wasn't just prompting the AI model. I used my existing code, the parts from the websites I generated earlier, the idea, the sketch I created. I combined all of those things together when prompting this time, and the result, it blew my mind. When you just ask AI something like a generic question, I need a website for this brand, it just gives you a generic website. But when you have an idea of what you want exactly and you tell it to the AI, it knows what you want and it will definitely give it to you. Boom! The ideas start flowing. It gave me the grit, the logic, the base. I wasn't stuck on syntax anymore. I was just assembling, and I wasn't just doom scrolling for ideas. Now I have a living preview and I know exactly what I want. But believe me man, AI is just like 40-50% of the workflow. Even after you generated the entire pages using AI, the rest isn't completed. That's manual labor. Yeah, fixing padding, changing the copy, adding the human touch which you can't automate. You know what? The website came out absolutely stunning. So I went to publish it. Then the second disaster came before my eyes. My website was 30 megabytes in size.
30 megabytes, a catastrophic number. If a user tries to load this on mobile data, they will die of old age before the logo appears.
You know what I did? I used AI. Are you kidding me? You can't fix these kind of issues with AI. I had 2 things to do. First, identify where the file size issue is arising and then fix it. I navigate to the public folder and saw a huge video file and 10 MB worth of images. Some images were 4K. Why would I need a 1080p image for a small file? I used a free tool online and manually uploaded each and every single image and cropped them. in the resolution, and then I convert them to WebP. WebP is a light file type introduced by Google for the sole purpose of using in websites. If you have a website and you wanna try that tool out, I will link that down below. It's a complete free tool. I won't get referral fees or anything like that. And boom, the website's public folder is now only 349 megabytes.
From a bloated whale to a hydrodynamic shark. 4 megabytes. Perfection.
I wanted to cache my website in the client side because I only had limited bandwidth on my Firebase side. So I thought my domain is on Cloudflare, and Cloudflare offers unlimited free cache. So why don't I utilize that? And that's how I finalized the brand new Yearbook website. It's not just an website, it's a proof that resilience and hard work will eventually pay off, and it's a testament to the fact that sometimes the smallest actions make a huge difference, and for your biggest problem, solution could be just a pen. If you watched so far and enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you want to see content like this and 1000 days building a business with Oshan series, hit that subscribe button. You can head to Rasanjana.online to see all my socials and my portfolio, and you can head to Yearbook.oshanrasanjana.online to see this amazing website.
He has shipped. The cycle is complete. Now go outside, Oshan.